Hello everyone, my name is Parikshit Thaudam. I secured 60th rank, 60 rank in the UPSC 2020. This was my third attempt. So with 60 rank, I am expecting Indian Administrative Service. So in Insights, in my first attempt, I was a part of the Insights preliminary test series. Also, Insights, I used the free resources which Insights has, like the daily current affairs, and also um, the mock quizzes that we have. So every day before sleeping, I'll just look through those. So these were very helpful resources, I would say. So inspiration is that it started from my college days, taking part in different activities in college, and also being part of different government schemes which were operated through our institute or college. So I got to interact with a lot of people. So I think that is where my desire to join the services grew, and also we had some very good peer groups in the college. So we also planned ahead ki we go forward with the exam. So that is how it came forward. And that is how I planned and joined this journey. Yes, biggest support would be, I would say, firstly my parents, obviously, and my family, and next would be my peer group out from my college, and also from, so I prepared in Delhi, so the peer group which I developed there. So these were very strong support structures which helped me through the exam, and obviously my teachers. So I come from Imphal, Manipur. So Imphal, so Manipur is called the Jewel of India by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and it's a very beautiful place. I think anybody watching this video should really come to Manipur and explore. It's a very beautiful state, and there are so many tourist vlogs right now about Manipur, and also because the government of India is starting to working on the Act East policy. There's a lot of infrastructure development being done in the Northeast. So travel and tourism is again very is a very attractive leisure activity right now. So I think everybody should come and explore the northeastern states. My message would be that the exam is competitive and the syllabus is vast, but I think if you have a clear goal in head, and even if you have a bigger picture in the road ahead, I think you should try to deconstruct that in smaller steps. And just, so this was basically a tip which I got from one topper video which I was watching while I was preparing. So this topper says that we should break down our goals and work on those small goals, and instead of looking at the bigger picture, even though we have that in mind, we should take progressive baby steps in every day, and I think your goal should be achieved. Thank you.